Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs.
U-Neek Souvenirs is a must-visit destination for tourists seeking to capture the spirit of cows through unique memorabilia. This charming souvenir store is filled with a diverse array of handcrafted items and local artworks, showcasing the vibrant culture and creativity of the region. From quirky trinkets to elegant keepsakes, visitors will find the perfect gifts to remind them of their Australian adventure. The store is designed to create a welcoming atmosphere, inviting you to explore its treasures at your leisure. The knowledgeable staff are always on hand to offer recommendations and share stories about the local artisans who create the products. Whether you're looking for a special gift for a loved one or a unique item to commemorate your trip, U-Neek Souvenirs has something for everyone.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs. Please do watch our other Phillip Island tour series.
The store's collection includes everything from traditional Australian souvenirs to contemporary designs that reflect the area's natural beauty. With its convenient opening hours from 9:30 a.m. to 9 p.m., make sure to take your time wandering through the aisles and discovering the perfect piece that captures the essence of your visit to this beautiful coastal town. Don't miss out on the chance to bring home a piece of cows that you'll cherish for years to come. Local tips: visit during weekdays for a quieter shopping experience and personalized service. Ask about local artists featured in the store to gain insight into the region's culture. Check for seasonal promotions or special items, especially during holidays.
Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.